Oga.
Come off that front.
Hey. Hi. After all these things who I carry, let's go follow madman. Bros. Oga, I don't understand. I don't think I can stay in this place anymore. No light, not even a fan, AC, not even an amp fan inside your house. Please, I think I want to go.
Let me tell you something. That's why you're talking. Now you know so those sisters did this house. Now you know so those sisters they wear this thing. The rest people when they only complain. Why be so that you can't complain? I bet you all let me be you. Go inside.
I did talk to you. They tell me, oh me lucky babe with all these things.
What they go inside
this. I don't even know what this one is shrine.
I don't hear you. Thank you. You they come and play shrine, baby. When you call it go, lead the shrine. Lead the shrine for who gets shrine. Bro. Thank you.
Okay, there's no problem. My money.
Blood of Jesus.
I don't understand. Now what you bargain be that?
Me, I'm not gonna follow you there this place. Even for a full day. I know they crazy, so I go follow you there this shrine. For one full day.
Then you call it go.
Okay, if you say you want me to gather for me and you for yours. I'm not going here without my money. You hear me so?
Wait, what did happen now? Why they shout now? Now first I come here.
Tell me, lucky babe. Make I stay for a year for one full day.
But wait, when I'm not bagging.
I don't even know how I came here at the first place with this madman. Hi God, with all these things, all this fresh food.
What they be this?
Now carry come here. With highness, highness. Like carry me come here.
Oh, so you high?
Yes.
Okay, you high. Come here. If so, as you high come, if you still high under the influence of the highness, you waka come out now.
Will you shut up and stop?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
As royal highness where you be, as you high come, you high go. Koko, you said come.
Thank you, my brother. I know let this come out.
You said come.
I know let this come out.
First.
I know let this come out.
Why they do like this now? See, get where you carry.
Okay, me I stay high on and I still carry am.
Oh, you say you high?
Yes, now.
Ha? But you say now half for you. Compare other girls where they carry on this one now.
I like to like the girl now cause of nyash.
Oh, she get nyash too, but you see other girls where they carry now. Other girls where they carry.
We should go.
Okay, for us to settle this case for peace to reign, madam, are you staying or you are leaving?
I think I just have to stay.
No, I don't accept that. She'll call it go, because I hate no sense. You know why? I beg.
Oga.
Come off that front.
Hey. Hi. After all these things who I carry, let's go follow madman.
Blood of Jesus, see my head, they go inside this place.
Let them be person where you. It finish or phone it's gone.